So taking a look at the subtabs that are available when setting up a partner account, you can access these subtabs either through the left menu or along the top here. The HTML offer can be returned in the response. For example, a use case here would be some clients want to post on the confirmation page the dynamic matching partner. It's very similar to setting up a webhook notification to email the lead to their matching partner. In some cases, you may want to display that on the thank you page. You could then put this HTML offer and then parse that out to your confirmation page. The account information page is where you are going to handle any specific permissions for this client. For example, if you're going to give this partner a login, this is where you're telling them what they can and cannot update in their partner account. For example, can they update their own status? Can they add funds to their account? Can they request refunds? Or can they manage any labels and manage sales representatives? Looking at the lead type settings, the dedupe period ensures that this partner cannot buy the same lead within the number of days that you set here. But after 30 days, the lead could post into your system and sell to another partner. There is also the overall dedupe check, which is a much stricter dedupe check. This only applies to a specific use case, so we don't recommend that our clients use this setting unless they have spoken with a member of our support team to better understand what it does. The cherry picker has been retired from our system, but what this allows you to do is set up a default delivery system for when creating new filter sets. So for example, if you select Excel here, any future filter sets that you create in this lead type would have this default delivery method. Lastly, we have the overall account limits. So if you remember, you can set individual limits at the filter set level, but there may be times where you have two filter sets for a lead type with different criteria, but the account can take 20 leads per day overall. So it can be any combination of those two filter sets. In those cases, you can input the limits either at an account level or by lead type. Looking at the rest of the sub-tabs in the left menu, we already looked at the Transactions tab. But taking a look at the refund options, Request Refunds allows you to request refunds on behalf of your partner. There's also a bulk refunds request option that allows you to upload a CSV with the refund reasons, and then you can process them on a bulk basis automatically or on an individual basis in the Refunds tab. We already covered the leads filter sets, but the bulk filter sets update would allow you to, for example, update a setting for all of your filter sets. We looked at the account settings and the account settings history, but looking at advanced settings, this is what shows up in the partner admin tab that shows what the partner can see, and this shows what is available for that lead delivery. So you can see what fields are delivered to your partner and which fields are not. This can also be customized on a client by client basis. Change password allows you to update a password for a client. We already covered the invoicing and billing tabs. And partner permissions we touched on, but this is essentially what your partner will have access to if you give them their login information. You can adjust these settings by clicking the box here, and then the Go to Partner Admin allows you to see what the partner sees when they log into their partner account. So that's the Partners tab in your Boberdoo system. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at boberdoo.com, and a member of our team will be more than happy to speak with you.